Hi everyone, here we've got Huawei P40 Lite 5G, and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two options to choose from. You can check it using the dialer or the settings. So let me show you the first option. Let's open the dialer and let's type *06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number. Let's click on OK and let's get back. Let me show you another option. It is using the settings. So let's tap on the settings. Let's go to the very bottom of the list and click on About Phone. Now let's scroll down a little, and here we've got IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. And if you want to check the serial number, then simply go to the status, and here we've got the serial number info. So that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Huawei P40 Lite 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.